Ever looked at your YouTrip card, then at your phone, and wondered if there was a way to merge the two? Like, can you wave your phone and pay using the money on your YouTrip card? That's the question we're diving into today. Can you use YouTrip on Google Pay? It's a tempting idea, right? Imagine the convenience of leaving your physical card at home. Let's break it down. First off, what is YouTrip? It's a multi-currency wallet that lets you spend overseas without those pesky conversion fees. You top it up with your local currency, and when you're in Thailand, Japan, or wherever, you spend in the local currency at the best possible rate. Cool, right? Now, Google Pay. It's a digital wallet that lets you make payments with your phone. You can store your credit, debit, and even some prepaid cards in there. Easy peasy. So, can you link the two? Can your YouTrip card become a digital payment method in Google Pay? Unfortunately, as of now, the short answer is no. You can't directly add your YouTrip card to Google Pay. It's not one of the supported card types. But don't hang up your digital wallet just yet. There might be a workaround. Some people have tried adding their YouTrip card details manually as a credit card in Google Pay. But this is a risky move. It might work for a while, but there's no guarantee that Google Pay will recognize it as a valid card. Plus, you might miss out on YouTrip's specific benefits and features. So, what are your options? The old school way, carry your YouTrip card. It might not be as sleek as using your phone, but it's reliable. Some digital wallets might support YouTrip. Check out options like Apple Pay or Samsung Pay. Contactless payments. Many places accept contactless payments. Just tap your YouTrip card on the terminal. While it would be fantastic to have YouTrip on Google Pay, it's not a reality yet. But hey, technology moves fast. Keep an eye on updates from both YouTrip and Google Pay. Maybe one day, our wish will come true. In the meantime, make the most of your YouTrip card. Enjoy those sweet savings and hassle-free transactions. And remember, while technology is great, sometimes the old-school way still works. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.